guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on an engine guys that you can find in Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass and Jeep Renegade. We're talking about a 2.4 multi-air engine guys. If you have that engine and you're trying to replace your Serpentine belt tensioner or your idle pulley guys, David will explain what needs to be done. As you can see, the engine is out of the car, but you do not have to remove the engine guys. Why we did that? So we can show you guys with the great detail how to do the repair. In addition, we'll have more than 100 videos on that engine alone guys. Our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy guys new belt, new Serpentine belt tensioner, new pulley, idle pulley, we'll have the links in the description of the video below. Every time you replace the pulleys, I'll recommend to put a new belt as well. So let's start on it now. So first step will be to remove the Serpentine belt. This is your Serpentine belt. This will be on the passenger side of the vehicle. Now you can get to the belt usually by removing the air filter box on your vehicle. So that might be the only thing that you need to remove, air filter box. We've done it before in the vehicle and it wasn't too complicated, but we just have about that much room, so we cannot show you anything. You can see if it's like that. The frame of the vehicle will be here. You cannot see almost anything. So this bolt right here guys, this is your tensioner, okay, Serpentine belt tensioner here. We need to get a 5/8 or 16mm socket guys. Go clockwise and pull the belt out of the idle pulley on the bottom, okay, and we can remove the belt, you can see, just like that. I'll recommend every time you do that repair to put a new belt as well. So this guys right here is your tensioner pulley. Okay, if you need to replace the pulley only, you're going to remove that bolt. That bolt, it's a reverse threaded bolt. Okay, that bolt you have to go clockwise to get it loose. Okay, because when you go counterclockwise, you actually get it tight, and that's how you install the belt. This is your idle pulley, you can just remove that bolt and get it out. But if you need to replace the whole tensioner assembly, which I would recommend, okay, there is one hidden bolt towards the back, okay, right there. So you can reach that bolt with an extension through the back side of the alternator right here, but you have to be, okay, you're gonna break your finger. So what I'll do, we'll remove the alternator so I can show you where that bolt is. Otherwise I won't be able to guys, but this is the bolt here and we have one there. So stay with us, we'll remove the alternator. You do not have to do that and we'll show you how to get to the bolt now. So we removed the alternator guys so we can show you with the great detail where things are. This is the bottom bolt, this is the top bolt. You can see they go different ways, right? So 13mm socket guys, or 13mm ratcheting wrench, and we're going to remove that bolt now. Okay, those wrenches are super convenient guys, I'll definitely recommend them. Okay, it gets stuck once in a while, so we will have to do it with a wrench. I don't think you'll be able to do it by hand. You can do that guys with the alternator on, but it's a little bit inconvenient. You have to use a deep socket or a socket with short extension. Perfect. This one is out. Now we have just one more bolt, okay, that we can remove now right here on the outside. This one is super easy to reach. Tensioner pulley is out guys. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the idle pulley as well. This is your idle pulley. How you remove it? Okay, that bolt there, we just need to remove that one now. And this is guys your idle pulley right here. Those are the bearings, those are the things that will go bad often. Tensioner pulley, it's spring loaded, there is a spring inside, so sometimes they will fail as well. I'll definitely recommend to replace them. So thank you for watching guys. If you need to find the links for the new ones, we'll have the link in the description of the video for your convenience. Putting it together is in reverse order, we took it apart. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.